Welcome everyone to day 61 of our TSPSC Group 1 preparation series. Today, we are exploring a high-yield topic, space tech and India's scientific milestones. Let's dive into our rapid-fire practice session covering ISRO's incredible journey. Question 1. What was India's first satellite? The correct answer is option A, Aryabhata. Aryabhata was India's first satellite, launched on April 19, 1975, with help from the Soviet Union. Question 2. Which rocket is known as the workhorse of ISRO? The correct answer is option B, PSLV. PSLV, or Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, is called the workhorse due to its high reliability and success rate. Question 3. India's first lunar mission? The correct answer is option B, Chandrayaan-3. Launched in 2008, Chandrayaan-3 famously provided definitive evidence of water molecules on the moon's surface. Question 4. Mangalyaan was launched in which year? The correct answer is option B, 2013. Mangalyaan, the Mars orbiter mission, made India the first nation to reach Mars orbit on its first attempt. Question 5. What does GSLV stand for? The correct answer is option B, Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle. GSLV is designed to launch heavier satellites into high-altitude geosynchronous transfer orbits. Question 6. Chandrayaan-3 achieved a soft landing on which part of the moon? The correct answer is option C, South Pole. Chandrayaan-3 made history on August 23, 2023, by landing safely near the lunar South Pole. Question 7. First human spaceflight program by India? The correct answer is option B, Gaganyaan. Gaganyaan is India's ambitious mission to demonstrate its human spaceflight capability by launching astronauts into low Earth orbit. Question 8. Primary purpose of the IRNSS system? The correct answer is option C, navigation, NAVIC. NAVIC is India's independent regional navigation satellite system for accurate positioning services. Question 9. ISRO stands for? The correct answer is option C, Indian Space Research Organisation. ISRO is the national space agency of India, headquartered in Bengaluru, dedicated to space research. Question 10. Which engine is used in the upper stage of GSLV? The correct answer is option B, cryogenic. Cryogenic engines use liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen to provide high efficiency for heavy orbital insertions. Question 11. First successful Mars mission by India? The correct answer is option C. Both A and B. Mangalyaan is also referred to as the Mars Orbiter Mission, or MOM, marking India's entry into deep space. Question 12. Aditya L1 mission studies what? The correct answer is option C, Sun. Aditya L1 is India's first solar space observatory designed to study the Sun's atmosphere and solar phenomena. Question 13. What is LVM-3? The correct answer is option A, Heavy Lift Rocket. LVM-3, formerly GSLV Mk3, is ISRO's most powerful heavy lift rocket for massive payloads. Question 14. Space Applications Center is located in? The correct answer is option B, Ahmedabad. The Space Applications Center develops payloads for communication, navigation, and remote sensing. Question 15. When was ISRO established? The correct answer is option B, 1969. ISRO was founded on August 15, 1969, by Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. Question 16. Which is a remote sensing satellite? The correct answer is option A, IRS. The Indian Remote Sensing Series provides satellite data for resource management and mapping. Question 17. First satellite by an Indian launch vehicle? The correct answer is option B, Rohini, RS-1. Rohini-1 rupees was launched in 1980 by the SLV-3, making India the sixth nation to achieve orbital launch capability. Question 18. Launch site of ISRO? The correct answer is option B, Sriharikota. The Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota is the primary spaceport for all major ISRO satellite launches. Question 19. Gaganyaan target? The correct answer is option C, low Earth orbit. Gaganyaan aims to launch Indian astronauts into low Earth orbit and ensure their safe return. Question 20. INSAT series is primarily for? The correct answer is option C, telecommunication. The Indian National Satellite System is a multi-purpose network for communication, TV broadcasting, and meteorology. Question 21. Vikram Sarabhai is known as? The correct answer is option A, father of Indian space program. Dr. Vikram Sarabhai's vision was instrumental in founding Indian space research in the 1960s. Question 22. Which vehicle is used for small satellites? The correct answer is option A, SSLV. The Small Satellite Launch Vehicle is designed for quick, cost-effective launching of small satellites up to 500 kilograms. Question 23. Space docking technology was demonstrated in? The correct answer is option B, SPA-2X. SPA-2X is an ISRO initiative to test autonomous docking technology for future space missions. Question 24. What is NAVIC? The correct answer is option B, a constellation of satellites. NAVIC is a constellation providing precise navigation services to users in India and the surrounding region. Question 25. What is the main fuel for cryogenic engine? The correct answer is option B, liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen. The engine uses liquid hydrogen as fuel and liquid oxygen as the oxidizer for high thrust. Question 26. Which mission aims to study the Sun's corona? The correct answer is option B, Aditya L1. Aditya L1 is designed to observe the Sun's outer atmosphere to understand space weather and solar dynamics. Question 27. ISRO stands for? The correct answer is option A, Indian Space Research Organization. ISRO is the national space agency responsible for India's space programs. Question 28. Who launched India's first satellite Aryabhata? The correct answer is option B, Soviet Union. Aryabhata was launched in 1975 using a Soviet Cosmos 3M rocket. Question 29. How many stages does PSLV have? The correct answer is option C, 4 stages. The PSLV is a 4-stage launch vehicle that alternates between solid and liquid fuel stages. Question 30. What is the main purpose of Chandrayaan-2? The correct answer is option A, orbiter, lander, rover exploration. Chandrayaan-2 was a complex mission featuring an orbiter, the Vikram lander, and the Pragyan rover. That concludes our 30-question review for day 61. Great job staying focused. Don't forget to review these milestones as you prepare for your exam. Good luck with your studies, and I will see you in the next session.